Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic iPad case. It's 10.2 inches 9th generation 2021 or can be used also for the 8th generation 7th generation. It's a full body rugged stand folio cover case. It's a built-in screen protector and a pencil holder. So let me just open up this. You can see this is a magnetic enclosure here. It's a folio type. You can just open it, and then it's an inbuilt screen protector. So let me just take out all this protective covering and also have a pencil holder here. So this is our Explorer case that designed for iPad. So you can see this inbuilt screen protector here. So just me just take this out, and this screen protector is very clear, and uh, it also fits well. With the back is a rugged TPU flexible case sort of thing, and then it's a premium honeycomb texture design. So this enhance the grip. So this also have the features to open, to wake and close. So let me just put in my iPad in here. So you can see, like, for the camera and all, this cutout fits well with this inbuilt screen protector, and also with the Apple logo. So let me just put this inside. So this will close from all the corner. So it's flexible, so it fits really well with this one. So yeah, so once this fit well, you can see all the four corners. It have a very rugged and bumper style protection. So this will be really good to have. And then you can see, like, it's open, and when you close it, so this is closed, and when you open, this will open up again with the folio case. So this magnetic case is used for open and close thing. Is very handy and looks really nice in the hands. So see, when you open, it's turns on the open or wake up. So this is how you can put on this grooved one. So this is a stand that can be used, so you can make this as a stand, and then also there is a pencil holder. So it's a very nice overall a nice designed case, and you can store your Apple Pencil here in the corner and just close in you.